Hi traders, today I want to tell you one important fresh breakout stock, that is Affle India. It is a global technology company with a proprietary consumer intelligence platform that delivers consumer recommendations and conversions through relevant mobile advertising. This platform aims to enhance returns on marketing investment through contextual mobile ads and also reducing digital ad frauds. Affle reported a strong performance for Q1 FY 2025 with a consolidated revenue from operations of 520 crores, an increase of 27.8% year-on-year from revenue of 406 crores in Q1 last year. Net profit increased by 30.8% year-on-year to 86 crores from 66.2 crores in Q1 last year. If you see the shareholding in Affle India, FIs increased their stake from 14.79% to 15.3% in this latest June quarter. Other side, DIs also increased their stake from 14.72 to 16.21%. From mutual funds top of the table, as per latest data, Nippon India Small Cap Fund invested 390 crores, ICICI Prudential India Opportunities Fund 248 crores, and Nippon India Focused Equity Fund invested 240 crores. Interestingly, on June 26th, Monetary Authority of Singapore invested 208 crores at the price of 1290 rupees, and ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund invested 100 crores at the same 1290 rupees level. When you see the technical chart in Affle, on Friday, it breaks out 30 months old high price 1511 rupees. Now it is trading at 1595 rupees. At this point, Cora Trade suggesting to short-term investors, you may add this Affle India in your portfolio on every price dip for the target price 2000 rupees. If you have any doubts in this analysis, please comment below. Thank you.